Item: SCP-921. Object Class: Euclid. Special Containment Procedures. Research Site 346 has been constructed inside SCP-921. Signs indicating volcano and earthquake hazards are to be posted around SCP-921's containment area, in order to discourage civilian visitation. Foundation agents are to be disguised as members of the Armonite State Forest Service, and are to ensure the area is vacant at all times. Interaction with instances of SCP-921-1 is permitted to all personnel who pass the general authorization process for the site, while direct interaction with SCP-921-2 requires authorization from Site Director Dr. Cyril. Description: SCP-921 is an underground complex of rooms, tunnels and chambers of various sizes, composition and age surrounding a central chamber, located in the mountainous area near. While some appear to be natural caves, others are clearly man-made, or were formed by unknown means altogether. SCP-921's anomalous nature stems from the effect the assorted objects it contains, henceforth SCP-921-1, have on those who interact with them. Many of the rooms in SCP-921 contain rock formations or underground flora. In the cave-like rooms, mundane items. In the man-made rooms, or other objects. In the unclassified rooms. These objects seem to contain sensations. When interacted with, each object will cause its user to experience a combination of sights, sounds, scents and other sensory inputs, as well as emotions. No lasting or harmful effects due to interaction with instances of SCP-921-1 were observed. The central chamber of SCP-921 houses an incorporeal entity, henceforth SCP-921-2, who addresses those who enter the main chamber of SCP-921. SCP-921-2's voice originates from the ceiling of the central chamber, though no obvious source has been found. SCP-921-2 seems to serve as a sort of guide and curator to instances of SCP-921-1 housed within SCP-921. When prompted, it will provide directions to a specific object or area of SCP-921 or offer a limited explanation of the sensation contained within an individual object. The exact extent of SCP-921-2's sentience is uncertain. SCP-921-2 refers to various sections of SCP-921 as wings and to instances of SCP-921-1 as focus points. Each wing, room and object is named. New rooms and wings will occasionally appear within SCP-921, containing new focus points. These new areas of SCP-921 will always be connected to an existing wing of the same general composition.